Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to solve Facebook picture download problem in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Then download a picture. Press on save. If you face this problem, then go back to the Facebook app. Long press on it. Press here. Now press on permissions. Scroll down. Select here photos and videos. Here you have to press on always allow all. Then go back to your picture. Try to save it. The problem has been solved. So this is how you can solve Facebook picture download problem in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.